Hey everyone, it's Scott from TrendPunk Product Reviews, and today I am unboxing something that feels less like a collectible and more like a piece of movie magic. This is the Robosen Optimus Prime Elite Edition. And Robosen doesn't just ship a robot, they ship an experience. The box alone feels premium, and enough weight to make you wonder if there's a small Cybertronian inside. Inside you'll find the charging cable, booklets, accessories, and of course, Optimus Prime. And the detail is incredible. Die-cast metal, LEDs, and servo motors packed into every joint. It feels like a high-end statue until it starts moving.
Greetings. I am Optimus Prime.
That startup sequence hits you right in the nostalgia.
Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Transform. Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Transform.
The Elite Edition recognizes 25 voice commands, everything from movement to combat stances to full transformations.
Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Report.
Decepticons detected.
Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Are we friends?
You are my friend.
As far as charging goes, it takes about 55 minutes to charge it up fully, which gives you about 55 minutes of playtime. So pretty darn good. And it wouldn't be Optimus Prime if he didn't have his weapons. It comes with an ion blaster and an energon axe.
Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Open fire.
Fire now.
And if you look at the gun here, it even lights up.
Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Attack.
Prepare for battle.
Watching this in person is wild. This isn't stop motion. This isn't CGI. This is a real physical robot performing a full transformation right in front of you.
Let's roll.
He can walk, turn, punch, kick, strike poses, and even perform battle routines. The articulation is so smooth, it feels like motion capture brought to life.
Megatron.
Megatron must be stopped, no matter the cost.
The app gives you full control, joystick movement, programmable actions, and custom routines. You can literally animate Optimus like you're directing a scene. For creators, this opens up a ton of possibilities for shorts, skits, and cinematic sequences.
Till all are one.
Final thoughts, this is one of the most impressive pieces of tech I have ever unboxed. It's premium, over-engineered in the best way, and absolutely delivers on the promise of a real transforming robot.
Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Transform.
So we here at TrendPunk give it 2 thumbs up.
Roll out.
Let's roll.
Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Move forward.
Let's go.
Turn left. Turn right. Say hello.
Greetings, friend. I am Optimus Prime.
Who are you?
I am Optimus Prime.
Look out!
Autobots, evasive maneuvers.
Stay back.
We will never give up. We will never surrender.
Happy birthday.
Greetings from Cybertron. I am Optimus Prime. I am granting you permission to have the greatest birthday the universe has ever seen. Roll out.
Decepticons.
Autobots, engage the enemy.
Victory.
Knowledge is the pathway to victory.
Protect.
One shall stand, one shall fall.
Freedom.
Freedom is the right of all sentient beings.
Guard.
The Autobots need your help to defeat the Decepticons.
Honor.
Corruption is never a path to freedom.
Engage.
Do not let the Decepticons win the war.
Loyalty.
We will never forsake this planet or its people.
Energon.
I may be low on Energon, but I still have enough to conquer you, Megatron.
Power.
I've returned, more powerful than ever.
Calling.
Fate rarely calls upon us in a moment of our choosing.
Hero.
There's a thin line between being a hero and being a memory.